This is absolutely incredible. Just the fairy up here and then all of the green that is on here is gorgeous. And I just noticed there is a dragon right here in the painting. What? You've got to be kidding me. Wow. Hey friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to an unboxing video of Some Enchanted Evening. This painting is very big and it's going to be a bit of a challenge. The setup, as you guys know, if you have been following the channel for a little bit, you know I don't have a very large setup to be able to take care of these paintings, but we're working on that. We're working on getting something new here in a little while. Might take a little while to get taken care of, but we got some good stuff happening here with the channel. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at this canvas. Well, let's take a look at the box and see what this is going to entail. All right, I cannot express enough how much I think this is going to be an amazing, amazing painting. Randal Spangler, who is the artist of this one, has so many different houses that are out there, and I have every single one of them. I'm really happy about that. And I was finally able to grab everything that I needed. But with these, they're just gorgeous. His artistry is amazing. I cannot wait to get into every single one of these paintings. But for this one in particular, it is 27.6 inches by 46.5 inches. Or 70 centimeters by 118 centimeters. So it's a very, very large painting. 46.5 inches long. That's almost 4 feet. So that's pretty big. When we look at the diamonds on this one, though, there are only 51 colors and 5 ABs. But there's a total of 129,636 diamonds in this one. Oh my gosh. But with the amount of ABs that are in this one, though, there's a lot of sparkle that is going to happen with this one. And I'm really curious to see what this canvas is going to entail and where all of this stuff is going to go. So let's get into it. All right, here we have Some Enchanted Evening. Gorgeous, gorgeous painting. I'm going to preface this by saying, for those of you who have been following the channel for a while, you know I don't have a very large workspace. So we will break this down into several different sections to look through the canvas, and then we'll take a look at the drills and see what we've got going on. All right, so with every diamond art kit, you get this little toolkit here, and it comes with a twist and pick pen with multi-placer, a tray, some baggies, and some wax to get you started. So it doesn't matter if this is your first kit or your 10th kit, you always get this with it. And it comes in handy when you start to build these up, and then you can start using these trays themselves when you kit this up to be able to go ahead and start. The other thing that we have is we have this little thank you card that comes with it. And in this thank you card, whoops, if I can get this opened up, we have our treasure quest card here. So these are little collectible cards that on the back of them, there are some codes, and this is a bronze card. And then you go onto the QR code website that's there, and then you can collect a bunch of these. You can have bronze, gold, silver cards and trade those in for gift cards. And then you can also trade just black ones in for gift cards as well. And I believe you can actually get a custom kit through Diamond Art Club 2 through these rewards cards. The other thing here is that we have our sticker sheet that has our sticker on the back for our start date and end date. And then down here at the bottom, it has our codes of our colors, totals, how big it is, and all of that fun stuff here on the back. And then inside is where we have our color chart and all of our stickers that we need to do this painting. Now, I can already tell you by looking at this, this is going to be a lot of fun. The greens that are in here are absolutely gorgeous. The reds are gorgeous. Everything that is in this is going to be really, really nice. And then we have our specialty. No, we don't. We actually don't have any specialty drills listed down here. So with this one has 5 ABs that are in it. And before they started listing out the ABs themselves, they started putting the numbers over here at the very top. So DNC starts around the 150 mark. So our first 5 that are on here are actually going to be our ABs. So 114, 119, 126, 129, and 135. which will actually be really nice. So we've got a red, a couple different purples, a yellow, and a green AB that's going to be in on this. So that we will take a look at as we're trying to look through the canvas to see where those are going to be, and then we'll look at those themselves at the actual drills. Now, before I get into the canvas itself, these drills, I mean, just this color palette alone already right off the bat looks really nice. I cannot wait to get into these, but let's look at the canvas first. Oh boy. Okay, I knew this wasn't going to disappoint, but oh my gosh. This is absolutely incredible. Just the fairy up here and then all of the green that is on here is gorgeous. And I just noticed there is a dragon right here in the painting. What? You've got to be kidding me. Wow. Oh, this is fantastic. Okay, okay. We have our key that's over here to the left. And if I look this key up, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are what I'm going to be looking for when it comes to where these specialty drills are going to be placed. And nothing's popping out right off the bat, to be honest with you. It really isn't. So I've got a couple of 4s down here. The roof is not going to be fun. The roof is extremely confetti heavy. This is confetti heavy. Okay, so we've got a lot of confetti going on here in this painting. And if you don't know what confetti is basically a lot of symbols, a lot of different symbols in a small area. So just in this square right here, so this has perforated squares on here, so you can see that gray line. And typically that's what I do, is I go based off of that perforated square area. Just in here alone, I've got, I would say I probably have about 30 colors just in this one spot right here, and that is a lot. That is a lot to be able to shift back and forth on. So depending on how the trays get kitted up, this is definitely going to be one that you kit up via tray and not via the little containers and everything, because you're going to have to switch out so often. It's going to be a lot faster for you to get that done if you kit up by the trays rather than doing your storage containers. This is, oh my gosh, oh boy, this is a lot of fun. But anyway, let's continue to look on the painting here. Don't get me wrong, this is absolutely beautiful. I mean, this house is incredible. The artistry with this is so unbelievably good. And it looks like in the windows we have ABs. I've got, I think there was a green one somewhere. I don't know. It's really hard to tell kind of where these are at. Okay, my purple that's in over here. I will admit, this is an extremely hard one to maneuver around. But it does. Oh my God. Oh boy. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is going to be such a challenge. Okay, hold on a second. We got to talk about this area first. So this area right here, very, very nice. But again, oh my God, when it comes to the confetti of it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. But a lot of ABs are going to be just sprinkled throughout this entire canvas. I'm just going to throw that out there. There's so many areas. There's so many areas with this. But here's what I was kind of, oh my godding about. Down here. Okay, so my canvas is a little scrunched here. So I've got some fairies coming along here. The old man is standing here. It's fine. This whole thing down here, it looks pretty. It looks pretty. I'm going to pull this up to the camera. So I am seeing a lot of ABs that are in here. So a lot of my green ABs are going to be down here, but look at that. So you can kind of see the gray perforated lines. And if we look at this section right here, there are so many different colors that are in this thing all around. This is this is very confetti heavy. However, I am not scared of that. I'm not scared of that at all. I'm not scared of it one bit. I am up for the challenge when it comes to doing this one. It is going to be a challenge for sure, but that's all right. I'm curious to know in the comments down below, have you done this one yourself? And if you have, how long did it take you to do? Now, there are some 310s in here. There are some blacks in here, so that's very interesting. Let's go ahead and take a look at the drills themselves, because as gorgeous as this is, Who buddy? Who buddy, is this going to be a fun one? Now, as I said, the drills for this, I mean, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. The rich color that is coming out of this is just to die for. There aren't a whole lot of tiny colors that are in this thing. There are some, but there's not a lot. But we can see how this is probably one of my favorites. This 550, beautiful, love it. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 bags of 310. I don't necessarily think I'm going to take this whole thing apart because it's wrapped so neatly. And I know typically I go through and look at every single one of the colors. However, I'm trying to preserve this as much as I possibly can. Let's take these here out of the center. And then with just the teeny tiny ones, 413, 414, 126. So that's a 165. So we have some very, very small amounts of colors that are in here. But a lot of what we're looking for are, look at that, 3810 and 3809, seriously? Oh boy. 608, 3766, 3865, all right, 210, here we go, here's 135, so this is an AB, that is nice, I like that, okay, all right, that'll be really good. 129 is another AB, so right next to it, okay, nice, 817, 114, 740, and 807. So a decent amount. You know, I'm going through this and I'm looking like, where's the rest of the ABs? Well, I totally missed this one, this 126. So that's very, very few of that purple one. But that is a really nice AB. So that's 3 ABs that I found so far. And I can't believe I even missed this one too. Like, I'm not even paying attention to what I'm doing here. So this 114 is an AB as well. It's a very nice red AB. I really like that one too. The ABs are actually not very large. There's not a whole lot of them that are in here. But the color palette as a whole, like I had said, this is, I mean, I don't want to take this apart because of just how well put together it is. And 2, I got to put it back in the thing. But you can see how these greens are with the blues and the purples. Like, it is just gorgeous. I mean, we just have, this color palette is going to be very interesting to see kind of how all of it comes together. This 154 is really nice. Even this 814 that's in here. I mean, the black is just going to help give it some definition in the painting for sure. But all of these greens that are in here, oh my gosh, I'm loving the greens that are in this. I don't know why, but I just am. I'm really drawn to them for some reason. These dark blues for the sky. Oh, I cannot wait to get started on this one. Let me know in the comments below if you've completed this one, and let me know how it went. All right, and there you have it. I cannot wait to get into this one and get it going. There's going to be some fun with this one. I'm trying to figure out the best way to be able to put this one together, in the sense of the channel itself really is geared towards stories and storytelling and life experiences. And, you know, I look at this painting and there's so many different directions that I can go with it. I'm curious to know what your thoughts are going to be on, you know, when you look at this painting, what is the story that you see? Or is there, to me, there might be several different stories that we might be able to get into with this one. I don't know. I just don't know yet. There's so many different ideas that I have swirling around in my mind. Now, let's talk about, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and do so and hit that notification bell to get notified on when we upload videos. Every subscriber that we have boosts the channel up even more and more and more, so thank you all for your support. Let me know in the comments down below, have you done any of the Randal Spangler paintings yet yourself? Curious to hear your stories around what you have done with these and where do you have them hanging out. That's all that we have for today on this one, everyone. So until next time, light a candle, pour a coffee, and let's keep crafting.